In this video, you'll learn how to add Google Analytics tracking to your Canva website to gain better insights. Let's start by opening the admin settings and selecting data streams. This allows you to set up where your website's analytics data will be collected. Now, choose the web platform and then publish your Canva site to ensure it's live and ready for tracking. Next, select and copy your live website URL. This will help link your site accurately to Google Analytics. Paste your website URL into the Analytics Setup field to connect it as a data source for tracking. Then enter and confirm the Steam name and click Create Continue to generate your analytics code. Copy the tracking code that appears, which you'll add to your Canva website. Now open the text tool in Canva and add a text box to your site for inserting your analytics code. Paste your code from the text box if you want to use it elsewhere or keep a backup. If needed, adjust the position of your code or layer by using the position and to back options to keep your site layout organized. Once finished, publish your changes so analytics tracking is activated on your Canva website. Dismiss any notifications confirming your site is live. Finally, test the installation to make sure Google Analytics is working on your published site. You've now connected Google Analytics to your Canvas site and can start tracking your visitors.